Hello everyone. Today we will discuss an important law that affects everyone in Singapore, the Personal Data Protection Act of 2012 or PDPA. The PDPA is Singapore's main data protection law. It was enacted in 2012 and came into full effect on the 2nd of July 2014. The purpose of the PDPA is to protect personal data and to ensure that organizations handle such data responsibly. First, let's define what we mean by personal data. Personal data refers to any data, whether true or not, about an individual who can be identified from that data or from that data and other information to which the organization has access. This includes obvious identifiers such as names and NRIC numbers, but it also covers things such as photos, mobile phone numbers, and even email addresses. The PDPA sets out several key obligations for organizations when it comes to handling personal data. Here are some of the main ones. Number one, consent. Organizations must obtain an individual's consent before collecting, using, or disclosing their personal data, except in certain circumstances. Next, purpose limitation. Personal data can only be collected, used, or disclosed for purposes that a reasonable person would consider appropriate in the circumstances and that the individual has been informed about. Third obligation, notification. Organizations must notify individuals of the purposes for which their personal data will be collected, used, or disclosed. Fourth, access and correction. Individuals have the right to request access to their personal data held by an organization and to correct any inaccuracies. Number five, accuracy of data. Organizations must make a reasonable effort to ensure that personal data collected is accurate and complete. Number six, protection. Organizations must protect personal data in their possession by making reasonable security arrangements to prevent unauthorized access, collection, use, disclosure, copying, modification, disposal, or similar risks. Next, retention limitation. Personal data should only be retained as long as necessary for business or legal purposes. Let's move on to transfer limitation. Organizations must ensure that personal data transferred to another country will receive a comparable standard of protection. Last, accountability. Organizations are responsible for personal data under their control and must designate one or more individuals to ensure compliance with the PDPA. Non-compliance with the PDPA can result in hefty penalties. The Personal Data Protection Commission is the regulatory body responsible for enforcing the PDPA. They have the authority to issue fines and even direct organizations to stop collecting or disclosing personal data if they fail to comply with the law. So why is the PDPA so important? In today's digital age, personal data is more valuable than ever. The PDPA helps to build trust between organizations and individuals by ensuring that personal data is handled with care and respect. For businesses, complying with the PDPA not only avoids penalties, but also enhances their reputation and fosters customer trust. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.